going to go home and straight away start planning my next travel. The enthusiasm that she brings to the workshop and the kind of knowledge and the kind of open mindset she gives you in this workshop is amazing.
It made me believe that budget, money, hotels, these are not issues at all. If you have an open mind, a good planning, and you're aware of what you want to do in life, I'm sure you can go about it. Thanks to Ansoo and the other friends, it was a really amazing experience. I'm really going to make use of it.
What was common with everybody who attended the workshop is that we love to travel. So it's just great to also meet like-minded people, share stories, and kind of learn these new things.
I loved how she talked about traveling for the sake of traveling, where you're giving yourself excuses of budget constraints and works and this and that, but it's really your mind which needs to open up to the idea of travel.
Really enjoyed the tips and tricks of traveling.